Hi guys, welcome back to Junrys React. So for today's reaction, guys, we'll be doing another video reaction to our favorite commando or like soldiers in India, guys. Credit to the owner of the video, Artscapes. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video. And if you're new to my channel, just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated on our future
You're a
uploads.
superhero.
Let's get to it, guys. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Nsg-Black Commandos Republic Day 2021 Parade Rehearsal. So I want you to see on the one, guys, and be amazed, and let's get to it and let's get started. Watch with this one. I hope you'll be having fun and if you're watching with this one. That's armory. Oh wow, this sounds very huge. Very good. That's very nice. He trained so well. We have also like army dog. Wow, it was a very impressive all preparation, guys, and so much love and respect from you, all the commandos and all the soldiers here in this parade. And also allow me to read, guys. Presenting NSG or the National Security Guards in action during the rehearsals of Republic Day 2021. Amidst of COVID-19 extreme protocols and high-level security, I unfortunately won't be able to cover Republic Day Parade. However, uploading this exclusive video of NSG as many of you have asked for the same. So thank you so much, Artscapes, for this amazing video also. And it was such a big salute to all the soldiers and all the commandos that they include, and they just prepared also, and including with this parade is such amazing. And watching with their uniforms, and they're like so excellent also watching with this one. And guys, I really enjoyed it watching with this one. And I hope you will support Artscapes and also with the commandos in India, and so much love and support here from here in the Philippines. And if you want to see the full video, guys, it's on the description box below. And if you like this video same as I did, just give a massive thumbs up, like and subscribe also with my channel. This Junrys React saying stay humble, stay positive, guys. Bye, and see you in my next video reaction. to Junrys Reacts and any Indian video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye, guys.